Watch, it's very slippery. Yeah. I think that's why they got the yellow thing up.
You're not coming today?
I almost had a huge wipeout. Right. Nice play. Shoot it, Ethan. No goals in the second period. No. Nice play. Oh, no way! Holy fuck. Look around the way. James was going right to it. Try to cycle, but then there's never a go. Yeah. It's almost like you're done.
Even again, it's saying that that's the move. Lane's on the stick.
That extra move put him off. Nice move there. He scored the first two shifts. They are pretty close too. That's it. Yeah, look at that. That's amazing. If he paused a little bit of his comfort.
Let's go right there. That was beautiful.
It's second.
Beautiful.
Yeah, Dexter just scored again.
Woohoo!
He's got 2 goals in this.
Attaboy.
Yeah? Oh, it's a move to him.
Dexter is so good in this game.
So is Riley.
Yeah, it's a first place.
I like when he.
Good
Me
feel
too,
that.
me
Yeah,
Like
too.
you should have the butterflies in your belly.
Yeah, absolutely.
You should care.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nothing wrong with that.
Well, and it's nice to be playing the first and second
Exactly.
team, you know what I mean?
100%.
Yeah.
These boys are good. Oh! There it is! Oh!
Good night.
We just listened to it.
Harder than-
Oh, I think it's more. I think it probably
It's okay, they could have played it. That's not.
Really, me too. Just let them fight. You don't need more.
No. Listen.
Isaac got a game yesterday. The teammate. There's like 20 minutes.
There we go.
Oh! Oh, I thought that was gonna slip.
20 minutes and how do you
Oh, like every 2 seconds it's red. Like, just let them fight.
No, that's just exactly.
We're slowing down a bit. Right?
Yeah.
We're slowing down.
Oh, 2 heavyweights.
Yeah.
There we go. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! Keep going, Dex! That's good.
Shoot it! With it!
Oh! Yes, it is. Oh, I thought he was.
Ryan. Nice passing, guys. That works every time. That works every time. There we go. Nice passing again. There we go. That works. Let's go, RJ. There you go, boy. Who's there? Let's get moving.
Yeah. Jumping in.
Attaboy.
One of those people.
This one's the street there.
They're not giving us much of a chance. They're all over. Good boy. Oh, she's still working. They got caught by brakes.
Oh no. See, if you didn't take that one extra stick out, they would have trust. That's the difference between this and you go to single A, double A, triple A. Those little things that the split second is different. You still stick that a little too much.
Guys playing school hockey, so he goes to Spencer.
Oh.
So he plays with Pete a lot of the AAA, the grade 8 AAAs. He said, holy, my school game is so fast. He said, I think I'm competitive, but he said it's a lot quicker
It's way
than
different.
I used to, yeah. Yeah.
It's good for him.
Oh yeah, I know he likes it. He definitely knows he needs to speed up a little.
Well, it's going forward too.
Yes, and he said he's been confused with each
Yeah. Oh, nice play.
He said he wanted to go back to the fence. Like that. There you go, baby. Guys, what you eating?
Hey,
It sounds very, very goalie.
it was. I'm telling you.
It's not feeling well.
He doesn't have the photo.
That's the other one actually needs to be pulled off. It's actually 4 minutes hot.
Meeting's tied up. Come on, kiddos.
Oh.
Jeez, come on,
Change it
no.
up. Change it up. Let's go.
Only got 200.
Get out.
Okay, take it. Come on. this guy's looking at the clock, Jim. He's like, "Are we almost done?"
Get it changed.
Over there.
Shit.
See, they haven't changed it. It's like 2-minute shift for these guys.
Right!
Oh! Oh, whoa! Watch his head!
Nice,
Watch
be
his
careful!
head! Watch his head! Watch his head! Look his head! Watch his fucking
Ice.
Don't call anything now.
Here we go, all timeout. All timeout.
I was dancing.
I
Oh,
thought,
for what? See his head get smoked? I thought he was gonna